You've been told that money is hard to get, that only a few lucky people make it, that success is rare, and wealth is a dream for the chosen ones. But that's a lie. The truth? Money is easy to get once you understand how it really works. Because money doesn't respond to luck, it responds to value. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock that mindset, how ordinary people make extraordinary money once they shift how they think and act. Most people struggle financially not because there isn't money out there, but because they believe getting it is hard. Think about it. There are people earning in 1 hour what others earn in a year. Same world, same economy. What's the difference? It's not effort. It's not time. It's perspective. When you believe money is scarce, your mind works in survival mode, chasing small opportunities, avoiding risks, and settling for less. But when you understand that money flows to those who create solutions, not excuses, you stop chasing and start attracting. Money isn't hard. You've just been taught to look for it in the wrong places. The rich don't chase money. They chase systems. While most people think, how can I make money? The wealthy think, how can I create something that makes money for me? Even when I'm asleep? They understand that money rewards value, not time. That's why one person can work 10 hours a day and stay broke, while another works 2 hours a day and gets paid 100 times more. The difference? The second person built something that people need, a product, a service, a brand, a skill, or a message that solves problems. You can do the same. Here's the truth formula. Money equals value times attention. If you give people value, but nobody knows you, you won't earn much. If you get attention, but have no value, people lose interest fast. But when you combine both, you become unstoppable. Think of it like this. Every influencer, every successful business, every thriving freelancer, they've mastered how to give massive value and then put it in front of the right audience. That's all. That's the game. And it's easier than ever in this digital age. Money isn't hiding. It's moving constantly. Every second, someone is buying, paying, investing, and exchanging. The question is, are you in the flow or outside watching it happen? You don't need a rich background. You don't need connections. You just need to solve one small problem and help enough people do it better, faster, or easier than before. That's how people turn TikTok pages, online courses, farms, or small ideas into streams of income. It's not magic, it's mindset. Here's how to make money easy to get. Change your mindset. Stop saying, I can't afford that. Start asking, how can I afford that? Learn high-value skills. Skills like communication, content creation, marketing, or sales. These skills make you valuable anywhere. Build visibility. Let people see your work. Share your ideas. Use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to showcase your value. Solve real problems. Don't guess. Listen to what people complain about. That's where the money hides. Stay consistent. Money loves speed, but it respects consistency even more. When you show up every day, learn, adapt, and serve, money starts finding its way to you naturally. Once you stop seeing money as hard, everything changes. You stop chasing people and start attracting them. You stop comparing and start creating. You stop surviving and start thriving. The difference between those who can't make it and those who make it easily is never the environment. It's their inner environment. You get what you believe you deserve. So believe that money flows to you because you create, you give, you grow. That's not arrogance. That's alignment. So from today, stop saying money is hard. Start saying money is easy when I give value. Because that's the truth. You don't have to be born rich to become wealthy. You just have to open your mind, find your lane, and move with purpose. The world pays people who believe they deserve to be paid. So, go out there and build something worth paying for. Money isn't hiding, it's waiting for you to show up.